Hindi lamang si Batangas 1st District Congressman Leandro Leviste ang may kopya ng Anyay Cabral files dahil ibinahagi na niya ito sa dalawa pang kongresista. Kinumpirma naman ng abogado ni Cabral na may mga dokumentong kinuha si Leviste mula sa opisina ng dating opisyal. Bukod rito, may nauna na umanong suicide attempt ang yumaong DPWH Undersecretary. Ang balitang A to Z ni Ace Cruz.
Magkakasama sa kainan nitong linggo, January 4, sina Batangas 1st District Congressman Leandro Leviste at kapwa bagitong mambabatas na sina Kamanggagawa Party List Congressman Eli San Fernando at Cavite 4th District Congressman Kiko Barsaga. Bumati si Leviste ng mapayapang bagong taon, sabay sabing may kopya na ang mga kasamahang mambabatas ng listahan ng flood control project insertions. Bahagi ito ng Cabral Files o mga dokumento ng yumaong dating DPWH Undersecretary Catalina Cabral. Kinumpirma ng kampo ni Cabral na may ilang dokumentong kinuha si Leviste sa tanggapan ng dating DPWH official.
I've seen a document that's ostensibly similar to the document that was released by Congressman Leviste, but I cannot say with absolute certainty that it's the same because I have not seen the entire document that Congressman Leviste claims to possess.
Gayunman, may 6 na kahon na mga dokumento nilang hindi pa makita hanggang sa ngayon.
We don't have it in our possession. The family don't know where they are, so we don't know where it's stashed at the moment. We are trying to figure out where Ms. Cabral, she took it out.
Ayon sa abogado, sa kasagsagan ng flood control scandal, lubhang naapektuhan ang mental health ni Cabral pero tumanggi siyang magpakonsulta sa espesyalista. Lumala pa ito nang sabihin ni dating DPWH Undersecretary Roberto Bernardo na si Cabral ang may overall control sa budget ng ahensya. Ibinunyag ng abogado na may nauna ng suicide attempt si Cabral.
She tried to hurt herself with a knife, but the daughter was able to seize the knife from her.
Okay.
And then she jumped off stairs yata.
Batay pa sa salaysay ng driver nung araw na namatay si Cabral, 2 beses siyang bumaba ng sasakyan upang silipin ang bangin sa lugar.
They stopped at 2 other destinations pa prior along Cannon Road. So she was checking daw the height and the depth of the ravine. I'm not sure, but dumaga lang sila doon sa 3rd destination.
Sinabi ng Ombudsman Jesus Crispin Remulla na bubuksan ang computer ni Cabral at isa sa ilalim sa forensic examination katuwang ang ibang ahensya. Para sa Balitang A to Z, Ace Cruz.